6,000 power handheld laser welding machine.
Metal sheet, carbon steel, thickness 10毫米。
This video demonstrates 6,000 watts handheld laser welding system achieving full penetration welds on 10 mm carbon steel plates. As to laser source, we can install rakers or max. For wide feeding, even the plates get up to 3 mm. Install with single motor welding head. Weld bar adjust to 10 mm. Measurement adjust to 12 mm. We weld at 10 mm second travel speed. Parameter control nitrogen sealing gas. And we use about 90% power. The spark is very large when welding plates. After weld, let's check the front surface and the back side surface.这里，对。你首先是点两边的是吧？
对，它必须要两边。
双面点吗？
对。就点两个点嘛。这边点一个点，那边点一个点。
好，我可以拿一张。